All right, so your Bitwarden browser extension not showing? Yeah, that's a common issue, but don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it fast. First, quick idea, this usually happens because the extension is hidden, disabled, or not installed properly. Start by opening your browser's extension menu. Sometimes the extension is installed but just hidden from the toolbar. You can pin the Bitwarden extension so it always shows. Make sure the extension is enabled in your browser settings. If it's missing completely, install or reinstall the extension. Try restarting your browser to fix temporary glitches. Also, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. If you have multiple extensions, disable them temporarily. Some can cause conflicts. If you're using multiple browser profiles, make sure you installed Bitwarden in the correct profile. And if you're on a work or school device, the extension might be blocked by admin restrictions. After fixing, don't forget to log in and unlock your vault. So yeah, these fixes should bring your Bitwarden extension back quickly. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More quick tech fixes coming soon.